Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best blenders are probably one of the most versatile and indispensable appliances you can have in your kitchen, transforming everyday ingredients into delicious smoothies, soups, sauces, and more with just the touch of a button, making healthy eating and culinary creativity more accessible than ever before. Whether you're a health enthusiast whipping up post-workout protein shakes, a busy parent blending baby food, or a gourmet chef experimenting with complex recipes, a high-quality blender can significantly elevate your cooking experience and save you valuable time. Number 5. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper, 4-in-1, White. Discover TikTok's favorite veggie chopper, a top-rated kitchen gadget this season. It dices in just 30 seconds, saving you significant time on meal prep. This is the ultimate daily kitchen helper, simple to set up and clean. It's designed for quick prep and compact storage, fitting neatly in your drawers or cabinets. Done prepping? Simply toss it on the top rack of your dishwasher for a no-scrub cleanup. It's a clever and convenient choice for any occasion. This essential features a soft grip handle and a non-skid base for maximum stability. The built-in catch tray keeps counters clean, making meal prep stress-free. This gadget makes meal prep fast, safe, and fun. It's a top-rated gift for moms and anyone who wants to cook smarter, faster, and easier. It features heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades that stay razor-sharp. Perfect for healthy eating, even on a busy schedule. What we like? This chopper is designed for speed and convenience. Its sharp blades dice in seconds, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. If you're looking for a way to significantly cut down on meal prep time, especially for busy weeknights or when you need to quickly prepare ingredients for salads or stir-fries, this is an excellent choice. What people say? This little chopper is still going strong. It's super easy to use, makes chopping anything super fast, and the blades have stayed sharp as anything. It's simple to use and does exactly what it's supposed to do, not something you find in many products today. I regularly chop cucumbers, onions, tons of peppers, and even cherry tomatoes, which it chops easily without smashing them. Makes prepping quick and easy. Seems sturdy and holds up to harder to cut veggies like carrots. Number 4. MuellerLiving Electric Glass Kettle. Experience rapid heating with our 1.8L electric kettle, featuring advanced speed boil technology. A subtle blue LED indicator lets you know when your water is perfectly heated. Enjoy fresh, delicious water for all your favorite hot beverages and meals. This elegant glass kettle is designed to be a stylish and functional addition to any home. For your peace of mind, it automatically shuts off once the water reaches its boiling point. This feature helps conserve energy and ensures safety. Pour with ease thanks to its cordless design, allowing for complete freedom of movement. The heat-resistant handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. Serve up to 7 cups, making it ideal for gatherings or busy households. Cleaning is a breeze with its removable and washable filter. Looking for a unique and practical gift? This electric kettle is a thoughtful choice for anyone who enjoys hot beverages or quick meals. What we like? Enjoy hot beverages and meals in minutes with this speedy electric kettle. Its durable glass construction ensures pure taste, and the cordless design offers easy pouring. If you're a tea lover, a coffee enthusiast, or someone who frequently makes instant soups or oatmeal, this kettle provides a fast, safe, and convenient way to get your hot water. What people say? Heats quickly. Love the blue light while it's on, and you can see how strong the boil is. Heats significantly faster, uses glass over plastic leaching chemicals into your water, same automatic off switch as any other kettle, and the stainless steel is actually stainless. It is very fast and easy, and I love the automatic shut off when it's at a full boil. No worries about the kettle being left on too long. Number 3. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and uneven mixtures? Our slim yet powerful immersion blender lets you mix, blend, whisk, and froth quickly and easily. It comes with detachable accessories to help you create perfect smoothies, whipped cream, and even beaten eggs. This versatile tool comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments. Use the blending shaft for shakes, soups, and baby food. The frother is perfect for creating foam on any type of milk. And the whisk attachment is ideal for whipping cream or making batter. Experience enhanced power with its turbo mode. Its ergonomic grip and non-slip handle ensure comfortable use. Plus, the blade housing is designed to minimize splashes, keeping your kitchen clean. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just attach your desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. You can easily adjust the speed to achieve your desired consistency. Refer to the included instructions for more details. Cleanup is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments are all dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious creations. What we like. This immersion blender offers incredible versatility with its multiple attachments for blending, whisking, and frothing. Its powerful motor and turbo setting handle various tasks with ease, while the design minimizes splashes. If you enjoy making smoothies, soups, sauces, whipped cream, or even baby food, and want a compact tool that can do it all, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. What people say. It has been a true workhorse with a strong motor, and it never lets me down. I love the immersion blender for creaming soups, mashing beans, and making smoothies in a mason jar. Besides frothing milk or making whipped cream, the frother is great for mixing all the powder-based stuff in my coffee or iced drink concoction that is stubborn about dissolving. I love that it has multiple speeds and is easy to handle, and the cord is plenty long enough. It works better than I thought. It is wonderfully powerful. The device itself, chrome and black with dark blue lights, looks like it cost well more than twice what I paid. And it comes apart easily for washing. It is also easy to rinse clean since it does not have nooks and crannies like my last stick blender, so I don't have to go digging in to clean it out. This blender has been so useful in pureeing the chicken stock fixings I boiled all day. Then I've used it to puree her blubba food which I soaked in the stock. It's a great size, is not cumbersome like my blender or food processor would be. Cleans up easily. Number 2. Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer. Enjoy delicious, crispy, air-fried food in no time. Its advanced technology and non-stick surface make cooking a breeze. Broaden your culinary horizons with the included recipe guide. Discover the versatile uses this appliance can offer. Cook your snacks and meals perfectly every time. The auto shut-off and adjustable timer prevent overcooking. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its durable non-stick surface. Enjoy easy food release after every use. Gather your family together for the joy of cooking and eating at home. Create delicious meals with ease. What we like. Achieve perfectly crispy, air-fried food with minimal oil using this compact air fryer. Its air crisp technology ensures even cooking, and the auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind. If you're looking for a quick and healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried snacks and meals, or if you have limited counter space, this air fryer is an ideal solution. What people say. It's whisper quiet and dishwasher safe. Automatic shut off. This is a great safety feature that all air fryers should have but sadly do not. It does a fantastic job of crisping, cooking, and reheating all kinds of foods. All of the fat from frozen foods like fried shrimp or French fries drips into the bottom of the drawer below the tray so the food is much less greasy. Number 1. Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Grill AG301. Introducing the original Ninja Foodi Grill, the revolutionary appliance that sears, sizzles, and air fries to perfection. It's your all-in-one indoor grill and air fryer. Experience incredible flavor with our cyclonic grilling technology. It uses 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air to perfectly cook your food, giving you delicious char-grilled marks and taste. Enjoy the power and flavor of an outdoor grill right on your countertop. It brings that authentic outdoor grilling taste to your kitchen any day of the year. Say goodbye to defrosting. You can now transform foods from frozen to perfectly char-grilled in under 25 minutes. It's convenience at its finest. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Achieve that perfect crispiness using the included crisper basket. Cleanup is a breeze with this grill. The non-stick, ceramic-coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all dishwasher safe. What we like. Experience the flavor of outdoor grilling right in your kitchen with this versatile indoor grill. It can transform frozen foods into perfectly char-grilled meals in minutes and cooks with significantly less fat. If you love the taste of grilled food but don't have access to an outdoor grill, or if you want to enjoy healthier versions of your favorite grilled dishes year-round, this appliance is a game-changer. What people say. The grill function works great, heats evenly, and is very easy to use. Cleanup is also simple, which is a big plus. It does much more than just grill, and having the ability to air fry, roast, bake, and broil in one machine makes it incredibly useful. It heats well, cooks evenly, and makes it easy to prepare a wide range of meals without needing multiple appliances. The removable screen covering the heating element is removable and you can easily clean it. The grill portion is easy and grills chicken and beef perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.